Hello everyone, welcome to Ghazala School. Myself Sayeda Fasia. Today I will speak about minimum age of marriage for women. About legal framework of minimum age for marriage. Background. In India, the minimum age of marriage was prescribed for the first time by the law known as the SADA Act in 1929. It was later renamed as the Child Marriage Restraint Act 1929. In 1978, the law was amended to raise the minimum age of marriage for 18 years for girls and 21 years for boys. These positions remains the same even by the new law called the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006, which replaced the CMR in 1929. Marriage minimum age for different religions. For Hindus, the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 sets 18 years as the minimum age for the bride and 21 years as the minimum age for the groom. In Islam, the marriage of a minor who attains a puberty is considered valid. The Special Marriage Act 1954 and the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006 also prescribed 18 years and 21 years as the minimum age of consent for marriage for woman and man respectively. For the new age of marriage to be implemented, these laws are expected to be amended. Pros of raising minimum age for marriage for women. Women and child welfare. The poverty of the mother plays greatest role of all by far both in relation to her undernourishment and that of her child. An early age of marriage and consequent early pregnancies also impacts on nutritional levels of mothers and their children and their overall health and mental well-being. Women's empowerment and gender parity. The mother's age at a childbearing affect educational level, living condition, health condition, decision-making power of women. Tackling child marriage. India is home to the largest number of underage marriages in the world. The law will help to curb the menace of the child marriage. Difficulty in fighting child marriage. The implementation of the child marriage law is difficult. The evidence suggests though when the law is used, it is mostly the penalize young adults for self-arranged marriages. Child marriage has declined. It has been marginal from 27% in 2015 to 16 to 23% in 2019 to 20, according to the National Family Health Survey. 70% of early marriages take place in deprived communities such as the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, and the law will simply push these marriages underground instead of preventing them. Criminalization of a large number of marriages. The change will leave the vast majority of the Indian women who marry before they are 21 without the legal protections that the institution of marriage otherwise provides and make their families criminalizable. Lack of education is a bigger problem. According to the State of World Report 2020 by UNFPA, in India, 51% young women with no education, 47% only with a primary education had married by age 18. Further, a study by the International Center for the Research on Women has found that girls out of school are 3.4 times more likely to be married or have their marriage already fixed than girls who are still in school. Way forward, boosting education. Activists say the answer to delaying child marriage lies in ensuring access to education since the practice is a social and economic issue. Skill and business practice and sex education in school will also help. Increasing accessibility to schools. The government needs to look into increasing access to schools and colleges for girls, including their transportation to these institutes from far-flung areas. Mass awareness program. An awareness campaign is required on a massive scale on the increased age of marriage and encourage to social acceptance of the new legislation, which they have said would be far more effective than coercive measures. Thank you.